I'm Frank Catalano, co-founder of Naked Root. I want to share an important distinction about Naked Root and how to use it so your plants will thrive. While Naked Root looks like a self-watering planter, it's not. It's designed to work like nature's wet and dry cycles. In a typical self-watering planter, the soil stays constantly wet, suffocating roots, weakening them, and can eventually kill your plant. Naked Root is different. It breathes. Our patented system pulls water up quickly, then lets the soil dry evenly, giving the roots the oxygen it needs so they can grow strong and healthy. Here's what you need to know. After filling the reservoir, the water should be absorbed by the plant within 2 to 3 days, no more than 5. If there's still water in the reservoir after 5 days, just pour it out. And next time, try using less water or waiting longer between waterings. After a few tries, you'll create a watering cycle tailored to your plant and your growing environment. Watering will be a predictable routine with no guessing, stress, or root rot. So nurture the plants with the oxygen they crave. They'll thank you for it. I promise.